I am Dr. Amber Rashid, Senior Registrar at Tabba Kidney Institute in Urology Department. My experience at Tabba had been very academically challenging but enriching as well, क्योंकि हमें हर तरह से train किया जाता है for residency and the life as a consultant as well. The environment has been really friendly, understanding and cooperative. Whether हमारे juniors हो, seniors हो, they've all worked as a team in every aspect.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Ishba Mushtaq and I'm working as a registrar in the urology department at Tabba Kidney. So my experience in my resident year has been very highly enriching, and the environment at Tabba Kidney is very academically stimulating and clinically dynamic. And you know that all the faculties here is very engaged and we get a very supervised environment and the training here at Tabba Kidney.
We are privileged to be working in Tabba in the sense कि यहाँ पर everything is structured, from the academic sessions to the OT hands-on to the learning point of view. Every year in the residency program, we are trained in everything in urological practice step by step. So for the exam and for the life after exam, we are prepared in every way.
The TKI has played a very pivotal role in growing us as a urologist, and you know we have been trained here being a part of a big team along with having a consistent approach and clinical decision making effort in patients. We get engaged in the clinical diagnosis, pre and post operative care. So through all these years, getting engaged in all the clinical decision making effort has really grown us in our abilities.
There have been many moments, but specifically, obviously, when you clear the exam, working in your institute, and the pride in your team's eyes, and especially our mentor, Dr. Sharjeel's eyes, was very rewarding. Specifically, when the international faculty comes and when you're exposed to them and you present in front of them, when you're presenting for the institute, so that moments, all of those moments are very rewarding.
We always get all the opportunities here at Tabba Kidney, so that has been the most rewarding part. Other than that, you always get responses from your patients once they get recovered and all the duas that you get. And Dr. Sharjeel also leads by his own example. You know, he's a blend of clinical brilliance along with a good mentorship and really concern for the residents' growth. So he has really shaped us into a better human beings, not only as urologists.
Urology's future worldwide and in Pakistan is challenging and very competitive, and it is also being marked with the newer and newer technology in terms of minimally invasive and endoscopic surgeries. तो हमें उन सब चीज़ों के लिए एक साथ ट्रेन किया जाता है ताकि when at the end of residency we have exposure to everything and our hands-on is good enough and completely enough to deal with all the cases and all the scenarios.
Okay, so through all these years, the main core training has been the main background and the main strength of our residency. And for future, we not only feel for we are technically ready, but we are technically ready as well as good in our critical thinking and decision making efforts as well. That's just because that we have gone through a cycle of intense training, the brainstorming and all those things. So definitely we feel like that this institute has really shaped us into a better human being and a better urologist as well.
Tabba in itself is a blend of academic training and personal grooming, and Dr. Sharjeel as a mentor sees you through as a person. So he is going to train you and groom you into a person that you will be a good human being as well as a consultant. So in that sense, when you're preparing for the exam and when you have your competitors with you, then you realize that you have been trained into things that are not always academically available. So Tabba in itself is a multi-diverse training institute that along with your academics will train you in personal patient to doctor relation as well as interpersonal relationships as well. Apart from that, international conferences, workshops, and senior junior sessions, and then participating in the national and international conferences, abstract presentation, research, all of that is coming under one roof. That's why I think my decision of coming to Tabba has been a very fruitful one.
So basically, Tabba Kidney is actually a well-versed mixture and a blend of all the opportunities that is provided by different institutes in the city. You get to see every kind of a diverse cases. May it be adult urology or female urology or a pediatric urology. Other than that, you get exposure at a very junior and a resident level across all the platforms that are available. And considering the recent advances in the urological aspects, you get to experience all the recent advances of the instruments and all the surgical skills here. And the demo is itself given by the presenting international faculties who really visits Tabba Kidney annually, and you get to expose with them, and you get to expose with the new words of the learning that is happening in the world. So that is very effective in terms of if you compare this institute with the others in the city.